Now in activity 6 we have to multiply 3 digit number with a single digit number. Here 3 digit number with a single digit number, 3 digit number with a single digit number, 3 digit number with a single digit number. Then see how to multiply. First, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundred. First you multiply 4 with ones place. 4 into 7 ones. 4 sevens are 28. 28 ones. 28 ones. 28 ones means 2 tens. 8 ones. 8 ones. 8 in ones place. 2 tens means 2 carry over on tens place. Then so this ones is clear. Then we have to multiply with tens place. 4 with 0 tens. 4 zeros are 0 tens. How many tens we have? 0 tens. And what is carry over? 2. That 2 we have to add. 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 tens. 2 is a single digit number. No need to carry, no need to borrow, no need to regroup. So 2 tens, 2 in tens place. Then after that the tens chapter is closed. Now hundreds. 4 with hundreds place. 4 with 2 hundreds. 2. 4 twos are 8. 800. 800, it means only a single digit number, no need to regroup. Then write this 8 in 100 place. Then ones, tens, 100 multiplication over. Now 828 is our answer. Here also. So this is our ones place, this is our tens place, this is our hundreds place. So now if we multiply 3 with ones place, 3 into 6 ones is equal to 3 6 are 18. 18 ones. 18 ones means 110 and 8 ones. 110 plus 8 ones. In ones place we have to write 8, and in tens we take carry over 110 in tens place. It means ones multiplication is over. Now tens. 3 is multiplied with tens. 3 with 3 tens. 3 with 3 tens. 3 threes are 9 tens. And carry over 1 here. So that one we have to add 1 tens. 9 plus 1, 10 tens. 10 tens means 0 tens, 1 hundreds. That means 100 plus 0 tens. So in tens place we keep 0, and 100, this one we carry over on 100 place. So then tens multiplication is over. Now 3 with 100. 3 we have to multiply with 100. 3 into 200. 200s. 3 twos are 600s. 600, and what is carry over here? 1. That one we have to add plus 100. Then 6 plus 1, 700. That complete we have to write here 700. That is a single digit number, no need to regroup it. No need to regroup it. Again. Next, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100. Then first we have to multiply 2 with ones. 2 into 9 ones. 2 nines are 18 ones. 9 to the 18, 2 9 is 18. 18 ones means 8 ones and 100, 110, 1 tens plus 8 ones. Here 8 ones, 8 we have to write in ones place, and 1 10 means we have to take carry over on tens place. So, it means ones multiplication is over. Now, this ones is over. Now, we have to multiply with tens. 2 into 6 tens, 2 into 6 tens, 2 6 are 12, 12 tens plus what is carry over here? 110. So, that 110 we have to add. 12 plus 1, 13 ones, 13 tens, here not ones, 13 tens means, so this is 100, this is tens, it means 100 plus 3 tens, 100 and 3 tens, 3 we have to take in tens place and 1 we have to take carry over on tens place. Then tens multiplication is over. Now, we have to multiply with 100. 2 into 500, 5 is equal to 2 5s are 1000 plus what is carry over here in hundreds place 1, that we have to add again 100. Total 10 plus 1 1100. 1100, it is a 2-digit number, regroup it. So, this is 100 and 1000, 1000 plus 100, 1. So, here there is no 1000, first you write 1000 here. First, how many hundreds are there? 100, in hundreds place 1, in thousands place we take carry over 1 in thousands place. Now, after that there is no thousands place, only 1 is left, that one you keep as it is, 1138. Next question. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, it is better to take one more place, thousands place. Okay. Now, you start multiplication with ones, 4 with 2 ones, 4 with 2 ones, 4 2s are 8 ones. 8 is a single digit number, no need to regroup it, only 8. 8 in ones place we have to keep as it is, no need to regroup it. Why? Because in ones we have single digit, then ones is over. Then, so ones is over. Now, if we multiply with tens, 4 with 5 tens, 4 into 5 tens, 4 5s are 20 tens. 20 tens means 0 tens 2 hundreds, 2 hundreds, 0 tens, 0 tens, tens 0, in the place of tens 0, 2 hundreds, this 100 you take carry over on tens place. Now, 4 with 100, the 10 is over, 4 with 4 hundreds, 4 4s are 16 hundreds. What is carry over here? 2 hundreds, that we have to add, 16 plus 2 hundreds, 16 plus 2, 18 hundreds. 18 hundreds means 8 hundreds 1000, that is 1000 plus 800. So, in hundreds place we have to write 8, in thousands place we have to take carry over in thousands place 1. Then after that, here there is no thousands place, only till hundreds place we have. So, this one we keep as it is. This is our product. Okay. In this way we have to do our multiplication using means regrouping. Okay. Regrouping we have to do in this way. So, 3-digit number multiply with a single digit number. Okay. Now students, again, so four questions we did, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. See here. So this is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Then the same pattern. So first we have to multiply 7 with ones place. 7 into 5 ones. 7 5s are 35 ones. 35 ones means 5 ones, 3 tens. 3 tens plus 5 ones. 5 ones and 3 tens. 10 we have to take carry over on tens place. Now again with 7 with this is ones is over, multiplication with ones is over. Again we multiply with tens. 7 with 2 tens. 7 2s are 14 tens. 14 tens plus what is carry over here? 3, that we have to add. 3 tens. 14 plus 3, 17 tens. 17 tens means 107 tens. 100 plus 7 tens. So 7 tens. How many tens we have? 7 tens. 7 tens in tens column. And how many hundreds? 100. 1 we have to take over on hundreds place. Carry over on hundreds place. Then after that tens, multiplication with 10 is over. After that we have to multiply with hundreds place. 7 with 400. 7 with 400s. 7 4s are 28. 2800. 2800, what is carry over here? Plus 1. 28 plus 100. 28 plus 1, 2900. 2900. 2900 means 900s and 2000. 2000 plus 900. Now you take 9 in hundreds column and here you take thousands also. So how many thousands we have? 2. 2000 you take carry over in thousands place. Here there is no thousands place, just we take 2 as it is. This is our product. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now the same, first ones place, tens place and hundreds place. First we multiply 4 with 8 ones. 4 with 8 ones. 4 8s are 32 ones. 32 ones. It means 2 ones, 3 tens. 3 tens plus 2 ones. So 2 ones means 2. So we have to keep in ones column, and 3 tens that we take carry over on tens place. Ones multiplication is over. Ones place multiplication is over. Next, tens place. Now we multiply 4 with 4 tens. 4 4s are 16 tens. 16 tens means 6 tens 100. 100, and also here carry over is there, no? So that carry over, don't forget this carry over also we have to add, plus 3 tens. 3. So that is how many total? 16 plus 3, 19 tens. 19 tens. It means 9 tens 100. 100 plus 9 tens. 9 in tens place, 1 carry over on tens place. Then tens is over. So now we have to multiply with hundreds. 4 into 2 hundreds. 4 2s are 800. 8 800 and here 1 is there, plus 100. 8 plus 1, 900. How many hundreds we have? Total 9 hundreds. So 9 is a single digit, so we take as it is. 992 is our product. Now, here this is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. First we have to multiply 5 with 6 ones, 5 with 6 ones, 5 6 are 30 ones. 30 ones means 3 tens 0 ones, 3 tens plus 0 ones, 0 ones and 3 carry over on tens place. Multiplication with 1 is over. Next 5 with 8 tens, 5 into 8 tens, 5 8s are 40 tens, 40 tens plus 3 tens plus 40 plus 3, 43 tens, 43 tens. 43 tens means 3 tens 4 hundreds, 4 hundreds plus 3 tens, 3 tens and 4 hundreds. Okay. Now 5 with hundreds. What is there in hundreds? 3 is there. 10 over 5 with 3 hundreds. 5 3s are 1500. 1500 and what is carry over here? 4. So that 4 we have to add. 15 plus 4, 1900. 1900 means 900 and 1000. 1000 plus 900. So 9 is in hundreds place. Here there is no 1000. Right here 1000. First you take 1000, carry over on thousands place. Here we don't have any thousands place. We take 1 as it is. Then 8th question. See here 238 multiply with 6. First this is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. 6 we have to multiply with 8 ones. 6 into 8 ones. 6 8s are 48 means 8 ones 4 tens. 4 tens plus 8 ones. 8 in ones place, 4 carry over on tens place. Then multiplication with 1 is over. Now multiplication with hundreds place. 6 with 3 hundreds. No, tens place, not hundreds place, it is in tens place. Okay. 6 with tens place, 6 into 3 tens. 6 3s are 18 tens, 18 tens and what is carry over? 4. So that 4 we have to add, 4 tens. 18 plus 4, 22 tens, 22 tens means 2 tens and 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds plus 2 tens. These two we have to take in tens column and these two we take carry over on hundreds place. Now 6 with hundreds place, 6 with 2, 6 into 200, 6 2s are 12, 1200 and what is carry over? 200. 12 plus 2, 1400. 1400 means 400 and 1000. 1000 plus 400. 4 is in hundreds place. So here we have to take 1000 also. So in thousands place 1000 we take carry over on 1000. Here we don't have any 1000 number, thousands place. So just we keep 1 as it is, just we have to write 1 as it is. This is the product. Total 8 questions. So we did, more 2 questions were there, that 2 questions you did as your home assignment. Okay. Now here next, in activity 6, multiplication of a 4 digit number with a single digit number. With a single digit number. Here, so till here we did, so 3 digit number with a single digit number. Now we are going to multiply 4 digit number with a single digit number. Then how to multiply? The process is same. So till hundreds digit what we did, so the method is same. One more extra digit is there, that is 1000 digit. So that we have to do. Okay. So this is a multiplicand, this is a multiplier. 7 is a multiplier. Multiplicand means the number which we are going to multiply. So with a number is called multiplicand. Multiplier means the number which multiplies the number is called multiplier. So the answer, whatever the answer we will get, that is the product. These 3 things we know. One is multiplicand, the other one is multiplier, the third one is product. So multiplicand means, so the number which are going to multiply, so with any number is called multiplicand. Multiplier means the number which multiplies the number is called multiplier. And the third one is the product. The product means whatever the answer after multiplies, so that will be your product. Now, first we start our multiplication from 7. 7 with ones place, 7 into 7 ones, 7 into 7 ones, that is 7 sevens are 49 ones, 49 ones, 49 ones means 9 ones, 4 tens in 4 tens we have to carry over. This is ones, this is tens. Now, so multiplication with ones is over, multiplication with tens. Again 7 with 4 tens, 4 sevens are 28, 28 tens, and what is carry over here? 4 tens. 28 plus 4, 32 tens, 32 tens means 2 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, carry over on hundreds place. Now we have to multiply with hundreds place. 7 with 100, 7 ones are 700. What is carry over here? Plus 3, plus 300. 7 plus 3, 1000, 10. It is 0 in hundreds place, 1 in thousands place, carry over on thousands place. Now 7 6 are, now 7 with 1000, 7 with 6000, 7 6 are 42,000 plus 1000, 1 42 plus 1, 43,000, 43, 3 in thousands place, and 4 is in 10,000s place. So after that we don't have any 10,000s place, that 4 we have to write as it is. 43,029, 43,029 is our answer. Now here also first we have to multiply with ones. 4 into 5 ones, 4 5s are 20 ones. 20 ones means, so just wait, leave some space because we have to write our answer here. First 4 into 5 ones, 4 5s are 20 ones, 20 ones. 20 ones means this 0 in ones place, 2 in carry over on tens place. Now 4 with tens place, 4 into 0 tens, 4 zeros are 0, 0 tens, what is carry over here? Plus 2, 0 plus 2, 2 tens. Here 2 is a single digit number, there is no carry over, so 2 in tens place. Then now 4 with 100, 4 into 100, 4 ones are 400. 4 is a single digit that we have to keep in hundreds place. Now 4 with thousands place, 4 into 6000, 4 6 are 24, 24,000. 24,000 means 4 is in 1000 and this 2 is in 10,000. 10, what is carry over in 10,000 place? 2. So, there is no 10,000 place to multiply, so 2 as it is. That is it. Now, again here multiply 7 with ones place. First, you leave some space to write your answer. 7 into 5 ones, 7 5s are 35 ones. 35 ones, it is a 2 digit number. So, here 5 in ones place, 3 carry over on tens place. Next 7 with 7, 7 with 7 tens, 7 7s are 49, 49 tens plus 3, 49 plus 3, 49 52 tens, 52 tens. So, this first 2 in tens place, 5 in hundreds place. Then again 7 with 0, 7 into 0 hundreds, 7 zeros are 0 plus what is carry over here? 5, 0 plus 5, 5 hundreds, 5 in hundreds place, single digit number. Then 7 with thousands place, 7 with 4 thousands, 7 fours are 28,000, 28,000. So, 8,000 and 2 10,000, 2 10,000s plus 8,000. Keep 8 in thousands place. Here take 10,000 to take carry over on 10,000s place. Here we do not have any 1000 10,000s place value. So, these two we have to take as it is. 28,525. This is our answer. Now, here now we multiply 9 with 7. 9 into 7 ones, 9 sevens are 63 ones, 9 sevens are 63 ones, means 3 ones and 6 tens carry over on tens place. 9 with 4, 9 into 4 tens, 9 fours are 36 and over 6 is there carry over, 36 plus 6, 42 tens, 42 means 2 in tens, 4 in carry over on hundreds place. Now, 9 with hundreds place, 9 into 0 hundreds, 9 zeros are 0, what is carry over? Plus 4, 0 plus 4, 4 hundreds, 4. After that 9 with 4, 9 into 400 thousands, 9 fours are 36, 36,000s, 36,000 6 in thousands place, 3 in 10,000s place. Here there is no 10,000s place, we keep 3 as it is. So, this is our product when 4 digit numbers are given. So, more some questions are given in your textbook, that questions you do as your home assignment. Okay.